Hey guys, it's me, Amber, also known as Pretty Amor on Poshmark, Mercari, eBay, Depop. Right now I'm opening a ThredUp box of children's clothing. I got 50 pounds, but honestly I think it's a lot more than 50 pounds. It definitely weighs a lot. I already went through some of it because I wasn't sure I was going to film this video. My dogs are being kind of loud right now. But anyway, let's just see. Pick this up and see. So this is in my bin right now. I mean, nothing like exciting. Gap, I don't know what that is, you know, just like cute little stuff. The most exciting thing so far, I guess 2 pieces so far, is this Zara little sleep set. I know that sometimes ThredUp doesn't put the full sets in here. Like, for example, this one, I have Burt's Bees. It says somewhere on the tag, yeah, 2-piece set right there. My Once Upon a Child does not take incomplete sets. Same with this one right here. This one isn't new, it's just Cat and Jack, but they won't take those, unfortunately, so I might try to sell on my own. And then the other one that I'm gonna sell on my own, because I know I'll get more money than what they'll give me at Once Upon a Child, is this super cute Hannah Anderson set. Star Wars, a little, I'm not even gonna try to say what I think this is because I'm not a Star Wars fan, unfortunately. I do see now that it does have a couple spots, but I'll pop it in the wash. And if you guys don't know, Hannah Anderson actually has their own resale site, and I've sold one thing on there so far since discovering it like a month, 2 months ago, so I'm gonna pop this up on here and see what happens. Okay, so I kind of showed this in the beginning, but this is just a Carter's top. My twin, cute little pants. Never heard of that brand, but I don't really know if they're too picky on the brands per se. Just kind of what they need a little bit. That's Wonder Nation. Just like what sizes they need, or I know they want more springy stuff than fall, but actually yesterday I did sell to them some Sorel boots. I got them at the bin, so they probably paid me less than what I paid technically, but at least I saved something from the bins, and someone gets to find that for their little kid. Some little Carters. And we got this Kite Baby little onesie. When I sell to Once Upon a Child, I always make sure, obviously, to check for stains and stuff like that, but also to make sure like everything is zipped up and buttoned, just to make your items more presentable. And I used to fold the clothes, but I think putting them, like just laying them actually like down like that, makes it easier for the employees to go through. So I've been trying to do that for them. Monica and Andy, these last 2 were newborn. They usually don't take newborn because they have a lot of that. Danskin, and they definitely like the bigger sizes at my stores. I go to 3 stores near me. I mean, they all kind of just depend what they take. I've taken the same bin to all of them, and they've each bought out of it. So, like I said, just kind of what they're looking for. Just One You. Sparrow Designs. Friend of mine on it. I mean, yeah, unfortunately, these are kind of all smaller sizes. But, you know, we'll see. Caden Lane. This is super cute with the little bears. Oh, I guess it doesn't have any snaps at the bottom. I'm not a mom, so I don't know. I guess you're supposed to put pants underneath that. I don't know. Sure. Old Navy, cute. And we have some more Old Navy, cute little skinny jeans. The jeans, I always make sure if they don't have like any holes. I brought them some that had holes in it before and they didn't take it. Neither of them did actually, several times. So either they're not looking ripped jeans at all, or maybe they just didn't need that size. I'm not really sure. I mean, sometimes they tell me, like they've told me about the sleep sets. They want the actual set, and there's my dog. We have this Old Navy. Oh, bless you, puppy. Little Wonder Nation watermelon tank top. No basic Wonder Nation, but I'm liking the bigger sizes we're seeing. I'm gonna go quick because I know it's gonna be a long thing. Wonder Nation. My bin's already halfway full. Definitely gonna need more than that. Now this one's Children's Place. It looks a little bit older, so I don't know if they'll take it. Like I said, I guess it all just depends. I don't know how many times I'm gonna say that. Carter's. Cat and Jack. Carter's, that's cute. Disney jumping beans. See, I'm not sure if this is supposed to be part of a pajama set or not, but I'm gonna throw it in there because technically you could wear that out. Sonoma. We gotta button it up. Oh, we got a pack of socks from J. Crew. If you didn't know, Crew Cuts is the kids line of J. Crew. 3 pairs. I don't know. Doesn't have the retail on it, but they might give me like $1 or $2 for those. I'm not sure. Cat and Jack. Has like a leaf on it, or part of the box. Part of the box. It's really soft and cute. So far, I'm not seeing really any issues. I mean, I am going through it kind of quick, but nothing too bad. This tag says Kohl's from 2020. Oh, jumping beans. I couldn't read it. I just had one pair of shorts before I started filming that had just some spots on it, but I mean, that's not really a big deal because I got all this. This is unbranded. But cute. And we have colored organics. I feel like it's already snapped all the way. Children's Place, new with tags. As I try to button this top button. Oh my gosh, so many buttons. Okay. Cute. It does have some care on it that I'll try to pick off real quick. Just so it's not like it was sitting at the bottom of a drawer or something. Maybe it was, I don't know. But retail for $12.95. So, you know, a couple bucks here and there. But this is Aspen Kids. Super cute. Hey. Oh, my legs are starting to hurt already. Granimals. And my other puppy trying to play. Go lay down. We got some shorts here that doesn't have a specific brand, but the size is there. Maybe like Shein or Temu or something like that. We have another colored organics little onesie that needs to be buttoned up all the way. So far, I'm really impressed with the condition. My last box was a little bit iffier. Didn't have as much that was like newer style, I guess, and it had like more flaws. Oh, look at this. We have a set from ThredUp. Yes. Oh wait, we might have 2 sets. Okay, so here's the top that goes with it, and they're both new with tags. So that's good. And I've never heard of this brand, but I mean, it's new with tags. I assume they go off the system that Plato's Closet does, that, you know, they just input the brand or maybe what it is. I don't know how it works, but here's the other set. I think they're the same size, which is fine. Oh no, they're not. No, I don't even know why I thought it was the same size. One's 2T, one's 6'7". So that'd be cool if someone has children around those ages, they can match. See, now this is what I was talking about before. Like, this just seems more of a 90s, early 2000s kind of vibe from Gymboree. I'm still gonna put it in there. You never know exactly what they're looking for. Oh, this is just so darling. Oh no, I don't think it has a size. Oh, it does. It's 70. I don't know if they've taken anything that just says 70. I honestly get confused with that. Maybe they know more than I do, because again, I'm not a mother. I don't know. And this is, oh my god, this is a whole costume. No, not, I guess not a whole costume, but it's like the scarecrow costume. So it has Goodwill tag on it. I'll put it in there, but I've heard from other resellers that their Once Upon a Childs don't take costumes if they're not complete. And I assume that's not complete because there's no like accessory or anything to go with it. And then we have these cute little flare legs. They just have no actual brand, but size 100. Again, with those that I don't understand. And we have Tucker and Tate, which I believe is a pretty good brand. That's cute. I found some at the bin, and I believe that they took them from before. And this one has no brand, just 90. It would go good with those pants, actually. I'm gonna put that with that. I mean, probably not technically a set, but you know. Carters, gotta fix little snaps. Cute little baby fat sweatshirt, that's adorable. Children's Place, jeans, size 8, so that's good. Good size. This is new with tag. Swiggles. Okay. I don't know. Never heard of that, but it's new with tag. And I usually take everything that's new with tag for me, except, you know, if it's like a set or something. Okay. This, oh my. My nephew is going to love this, so he is definitely going to get that. Yes, perfect size. It was like it was meant for him. And it's even new with tags, so if he doesn't want it, then definitely I think they would take it, but he's gonna get that, even though it's summertime. So hopefully they're not watching this. Kid pick. It's a cute little dress. And get the button closed. Come on. Very cute. Everything's just cute to me. Some Carter's little overalls. What is this? I don't think this has a brand, unfortunately, or a size, actually, that I can see. I'll have to investigate a little bit, but I doubt that they'll take it without the size. But again, we'll put it in there. I mean, it's very, very cute. So I don't know if they take it without that, but we have PL Baby. And we have Cat and Jack. I think they would classify this as pajamas, since it's kind of like fuzzy material, but I mean, I'd totally let my kid wear that out, so I don't know. We'll see. It's a bigger size, so. I have some Old Navy. Button that up. Just One You. Cute little bird. More larger pieces coming. Cat and Jack. My bin's getting very full. This is super cute. Cat and Jack. With a little bit of wash wear to it. This doesn't have a brand or size, but it's super cute. Okay, what are you? Oh, some Old Navy pants. Okay, my dogs are getting rambunctious, as you can hear. My camera's about ready to die, so I'll update if there's anything really significant in here, like the Hannah Anderson or the Zara set or anything like that. And then comment your guesses down below on how much you think I can get for 50 pounds of clothing from ThredUp. And I'm taking to Once Upon a Child. Depending on what the first one gives me and how much I have left, then I'll take to the other two stores. So comment down below. Remember to subscribe and like if you like these videos and you want to see more reselling journeys with me. And also if you want to check out my shops, I'll have them linked down in the description box. But I'll update you on how much I get. Bye. And look what we just found. Super cute. Not sure what the size is yet, as it has someone's name on it, but